did not give what I wanted them to give. I was going through the most. Let me just do my makeup for fun. I'm always just in the house. Psych myself up to do my makeup. I love being a girl. I don't know, I was going through a mid-20s crisis.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Oh, so I have not installed this wig yet. I just put it on my head to kind of see first of all how it fits, and then number two, I want to see what these curls are giving before I can decide whether or not I want to install it. But so far so good. I usually curl my wigs with flexi rods just because either I have a bad flat iron or I'm the one who just doesn't know how to flat iron. I don't know which one it is yet. I'm still trying to figure that part out because my curls with a flat iron, they never pop. So the curls did not give what I wanted them to give. Honestly, they're giving something. I don't know what that something is though. It's giving hata sijui niseme nini, but it's fine. We are gonna make it work. I'm going to go in with my got-to-be hapa hivi mbele. Although I don't want to spray my hair. Nimesahau kuonyesha, this wig is not, it's not a closure, it's not a T-part, it's not a frontal. I don't even know what to tell you. It is, yani, that's it. That's all you get. Can you see? Let me move closer. Can you see? Like that's everything you're getting with this wig. I don't know the person who was making this wig what the person thought, but anyway, it was super cheap, so hata siwezi complain. I usually go in with my got-to-be. Whenever I'm doing like a closure wig, I don't do the ball cap method. I don't have time for that. So I'm just using the blow dry on like cold to kind of make sure that the glue dries. And I do this twice just to ensure that I have like a really firm grip and that the wig is not going anywhere. And then once it's dried, I pull it to my face and I place it wherever it is that I want it to be. So this time I wanted it to be a little bit at the front, which by the way I ended up regretting. And there were areas such as that glue haikushika vizuri, so I had to redo again the application of the glue. And then this is me going in with my hot comb, and I'm just going to comb this out. Guys, when I was doing this, I had so much hopes for this wig. I really thought this was going to be a flawless install. Like, I thought I was that girl. I went ahead, did my eyebrows, and then I did my color correction, which I typically do here. So let's get into foundation. I thought I'd do a video explaining where I have been for the past, since like March, and now we're in at the end of July, so almost August. By the time you'll be watching this, it'll be August. So what had happened was I was going through the most. Like I really was. Like early this year, I know that I look a little bit too light, but don't worry, this foundation wine oxidize after some time, so it will go back to like my actual color. So I was saying earlier that I was going through the most January, February, and I was just trying to, do content and just kind of do my own things just the way I typically do it, although I knew that like I wasn't 100%. But by the time March was rolling around, when I did my last video, I think it was the one for where I was doing cornrows, I had an exceeding amount of burnt out that I couldn't ignore anymore. And so yeah, I was talking to my brother and he was like, why don't you just take a break, Basi, from like the whole content creation? Because I typically take breaks, but I've never taken like such a lengthy one like the one I've taken this year. And I was like, no, but if I go, my views are going to be down, and then I'm going to be back in a place where I now have to grow those views again. So I didn't want to leave because of that. But also at the same time, you were too like late February, my phone ikaribika. And I was like, you know what? This must be a sign. It must be a sign that I need to take a break. And so I did. I took like a long ass break. You see, it has blended in, right? It looks so much better. I don't know why, but even the first time I was using this foundation, I was so confused because when I put it on, it was literally yellow, and I was like, I don't know if I want a yellow foundation. Yeah, but now I'm back, better than ever. I'm forcing myself to do different type of content, hence why we are doing this like chit chat, get ready with me. I want to do something else. Like when I set out to do this content creation, I didn't want to become a hair vlogger, but I just kind of found myself in the hair vlogging space, and yeah, I want to try something else. So this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Coltan. Yes, pretty much it. I cut my hair, as you've already seen in the, I think, 3 videos now. I cut it, then I relaxed it. I actually just relaxed it because I wanted to do waves. Like, there was no good reason as to why I relaxed my hair. That was literally the point. And pia niliona, I mean, like, I've cut my hair, I might as well relax it. Like, what's the point of cutting it if I won't relax it? And my hair has grown back. It has grown back really well. At a side, you can never say it was ever relaxed. Also, that was the other thing that made me relax my hair. I just knew, like, your language is kind of relaxer. Like, we are just going to be natural. Let me tell you, in like 3 months, I was back to natural. For contour, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade, I think I don't even remember, 55. So it goes there. Day I was doing my makeup for filming. Like, I was just filming this. I was going absolutely nowhere. I was just like, you know what, let me just do my makeup for fun and do a little TikToks, and that's it. And my sister doesn't understand how I can get up, do my makeup, because I typically, whenever I'm filming these 2 videos, I usually film them during. So like the rest of the day, I've just been like barefaced, probably doing other things. And then in Africa 5, I do my makeup, and then at like 9, I wash it off and go to sleep. So yesterday she was telling me, "Uonani kama unafanya kazi ya ujinga," because you can literally just do your makeup in the morning, stay like that the whole day, and then go to bed. Because why would you just do your makeup for like a couple of days, go to bed, and then for a couple of hours, and then go to bed? And that's exactly what I'm doing today, because it's 5. I was bored, and I was like, you know what, I might as well do like a chit chat, get ready with me. As yeah, a chit-chat, get ready with me. But I'm literally going to have this on for like, I don't know, right now it's like 5. By 9 I'll be done. By 9, 10, by 8 actually. By 8 I'll be done. And then I'll wash it off. Like, unangaranga tukuka kwa nyumba, like, yo bro, but I don't be going anywhere. Like, the introvert in me, woo. And I cut so many people off. So hata siku hizi hata hakuna hata mtu ananitafuta. Like, I'm always just in the house 24/7. It's literally sad. And then the fact that I'm working from home just makes it even 10 times worse. Because, you know, at least if you're going to like a job, you have a reason to leave the house. Mimi, reason yangu kutoka kwa nyumba ni kwenda kufanya maybe like shopping, and I always just compile all of that into like one day, and I'd go maybe once or twice in like 2 weeks. I don't believe in this damn house. I need to leave this house. For someone who complains so much about being single, I need to leave the house. I don't know if it's just me, but doing my makeup is like so therapeutic to me. I could be going through the absolute most, but if I can psych myself up to do my makeup, I feel like I'm having a good day. I think it's just looking good. Looking good makes me so happy. So my birthday is coming up. It's finally Leo season. Oh, I forgot something. Also, I was telling you about my birthday. My birthday is coming up, and I feel like I'm stepping into my grown woman era. I'm so excited. I hope things are going to get better, because this year has really kicked my butt. So much so. But in a good way, I guess. It has made me grow. I'm debating whether I want to do something. Well, I always want to do something, because I'm like those people who are very much obsessed with their birthdays. Like, that's me. But this year I'm feeling chilled vibes. Like, no I'm not necessarily, like, I'm excited of course, but it's just chill vibe. I don't know if I'm going to do anything big, that is. I'm so excited for the next half of this year. I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. I have hopes for it, but at the same time, I don't want to be too excited, and then I end up getting disappointed. It's a constant battle, like a battle between I want to be excited for the rest of this year and I want to be excited for all the things that I feel like God is going to do, but I'm also like I don't want to put my hopes up so much and then it doesn't work. Life has literally taken me through a lot of journeys this year. Like I can't believe it's only August. I feel like I've lived so many lives in Mwaka. I feel like I've lived so many years with this. Like the year has gone by fast, but at the same time, I feel like so much has happened and so little has happened at the same time. And it's like all of the things that are going on in our country, and then my own like personal things and the things that are going on in the world. Like this is the longest, shortest year, in my opinion. Like it's been a very short year, but a very long one at the same time. Like too much has happened. I was going to go for a simple eye look, but nah, when do I ever do simple? Let me just do like my signature eye look. Like I've realized whenever I do my makeup, I typically just do the same thing. It's absolutely crazy. Like I really like this kind of like pink, reddish kind of eyeshadow look. I don't even know what color is this, maroon. Yeah, I realized that I really like this kind of shade. See, so simple and it just turns out so cute. Can't live without a sparkling eyeshadow. Let's be serious. I love to sparkle. My second name is Sparkle. Sparkling. So we're just going to do that on top. Oh, I love makeup. I don't know, it's not even about makeup. I love being a girl. I love being a girl. I love painting my eyeshadow. I love painting my eyes. I'm just a girl. I'm wondering if I should vlog. I'll take pictures for my birthday. I don't know when I'll take them. Actually, I was to take them with this hair, but this hair metoka it's doing like its own thing and not in a good way. So clearly I have to redo the hairstyle. So I'm wondering if I should vlog for y'all when I'm doing that. My problem is not vlogging. I can vlog very well. I can create content very well. My problem comes in posting. Do you know, I realized the other day that I have videos from my birthday last year that I never posted. But then let me know if you'd like for me to post it. But I don't even know what I'll post it under. But I'm just an unserious person. Like honestly, I'm very unserious. Because last year for my birthday, I went out for dinner with my friends in Copper Ivy, and then like 2 days later we also went out to Diani. Did I ever post that content? No, it's sitting in my laptop. I saw it today. I even laughed. Like I literally forgot about it. And the way I was looking hot. Let me just insert the pictures here so that you can see. I was looking good. And then I never posted them because sometimes I don't see what my problem is. But also my burnt out ilianza last year around that time, so I guess that's what I can attribute it to. And I had so much anxiety about where my future is going at that time. You know, I was going through I was going through a life crisis, a midlife crisis. I don't know, I was going through a mid-20s crisis. I really was. When I decided to film today, I didn't even know what I was going to film. I was just like vibes, and inshallah, just pure vibes. Oh, I think I went in with a lot of blush. And I'm going in for final touches, so just a little bit of eyeliner, lip gloss, just kind of clean everything and just make sure that everything looks flawless. And then it was time for the moment of truth. You can see how doubtful I was when I was taking this band off, because I was just like, I don't know what this wig is about to give. But I ended up finding out that I had glue on my head. So this is me just kind of wiping that off. And if wig ilikuwa inanikaza on one side, I don't know if it's small or what the hell was going on. Like, this was not the install I was expecting. And then I just kind of tried to apply foundation to make it look better. And then when it finally hit me is when I let the hair down. Like, what in the Game of Thrones is this? Like, what the hell is this? What Game of Thrones wigs is this? I don't mean to hate on Game of Thrones, but I don't know. I just felt like it was giving absolutely nothing. You know, when you have it in your mind that something is going to look good and then it doesn't look good. So this is me just kind of regretting all my life choices. And funny thing, I've already installed this wig before. Okay, I didn't install it, but I just did like a glueless install, so I didn't glue it down, and it never looked like this. I mean, I know that upper even belly it looks kind of weird because I didn't pluck it, but then again, like I told you, haina lace, so there's really nothing to pluck. So this is me. I was still in denial. I still thought I could salvage this, but yo, this was not like I hated it so much. So I took it down because I'm not about to walk around like that. You would have to catch me dead walking around like that. So I took it out, put another one. This one is a closure. Yes, this one's it's a closure wig. It's a 4x6, I guess. 4x6 or 4x4, I'm not actually sure. Yeah, closure wig. So I had installed it like the previous day for TikTok, and it turned out so cute. But this day still queen a kaje. So this is me just kind of struggling to comp it out. Ilikuwa inakaa too funny. It was bumpy. I don't even know why. Like, everything was just not in my favor this day. So this is me just kind of struggling to figure out what to do about it. And then repeated the whole process again of applying the glue and blow drying it so that it can dry, and installing it and comping it with a hot comb. And just, I was literally fighting for my life because I already started this video and there's no way that I was just not going to finish the video, right? So after I stopped even talking because I was just frustrated, I kind of let the band sit for a while and let the glue dry. But actually yani haikuwa inatokea vile nilikuwa nataka. This is me just using mousse, trying to make sure that it's a little bit flat, but yani it was a bad install day. I can't believe it's like the first time I'm doing an install on YouTube and ikatoka tu vibaya. Like, I don't know what was going on. Anyway, I thought since we're already here, I might as well do an outfit, because why not? So I started off with these jeans, which I didn't even like. Like, you know, when you have an idea of how something's supposed to look in your head, and then you put it on and then it just doesn't look like that. This is what happened to me this day. So I put it on. This was the idea I had in my head. Like, this was it. But I just didn't like it. So I tried a skirt, didn't like that, and settled on these black jeans. I tried a jacket, didn't like that. So I went back to my sweater, the one I had earlier on. Like, this video is just a clear indication of what's been going on in my life. The absolute most just chaos, utter chaos, because it's a vibe I've been giving. So that was it, guys. Chaotic to say the least, but I had such a blast filming this, and of course I'm going to be doing more as I learn more about it. But yeah, this is our final look. Not what I was going for, but it's better than what we had. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.